Found this product easy to use and a great way to take advantage of truck bed storage. Great product, wish that I had purchased this 2 years ago. I'm so glad I got this. When they say it fits any truck bed, they mean it. I have a Ford Explorer Sport Track with a 4.2-foot bed and nothing is made to cover it that isn't super expensive. This is the perfect solution. The bag is everything they said and I'm very pleased. Worked perfectly, kept my cargo dry in the pouring rain. So I ordered this for a trip to the beach so I could put all my luggage in bed of truck. We drove 6 hours in the rain. No leaks, everything was dry when we got to our destination. Seems to be very well made. It kept our luggage safe and dry in the back of our truck. Click link in description for more reviews.